Hi, everybody. Welcome to my TED Talk. Today I'm going to be sharing the story of Math with Megan. So, ever since I was little, I always wanted to be a teacher. And then fast forward to high school, I found that I loved math and that I was really good at it. And my high school had something called MSIP, which was basically a period where you could work on homework. And they mixed grades in these classes. So you would have everything from grade 9 to 12. And I knew some of the younger students in my MSIP class, and they would always have math homework. And I started to help them with it. And every day during MSIP, I'd be helping them with their math homework. And it actually turned into us using the boards and working through problems together. And we started calling it Math with Megan. And that's how the name Math with Megan was born. Then fast forward to me being now in my teacher education program. And in this course, and I'm presented with the opportunity to come up with a Math Genius Hour project. And I thought, what could be better than making a YouTube channel that it's called Math with Megan and allows me to try to create these instructional videos that I can maybe even utilize in my own classroom one day. And that's how the YouTube channel Math with Megan was born. And so now basically I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. What do I do? And I start researching. I found all these good tutorial videos. Some of them were kind of a little scary and showing all this crazy expensive equipment. And I was struggling, and I found a cheap way to do it, but then I was having a ton of tech issues with my cell phone and the external microphone that I was borrowing from a friend not working, and just absolute craziness. And so what I did was I decided to sacrifice my camera image quality and just record from my laptop and start producing videos that way. But then I was struggling because I was like, okay, well, most of the time when I explain something, I'm usually like using a piece of paper or I have a whiteboard that I can do that with. And I'm like, okay, well, I have a whiteboard, but I don't have a spot to hang it. I don't really have a way to set up recording for me to write on a whiteboard or a way to record me writing on a piece of paper. And then I was like, okay, I could screen record. But then my writing using a mouse is atrocious. So it's like, okay, what am I gonna do? And that's when I came up with the idea of using PowerPoint, using animations in PowerPoint to kind of work through the problems and show the step-by-step. And that's what I started doing. So far I have produced three videos, an introductory video in English and one in French. And I've done one tutorial video of a mathematical concept, and I'm continuing to grow from there. It's been a challenge, but nothing comes easy. You gotta work for it. So if there's something you want, such as for me, a YouTube channel to share my mathematical knowledge and help reach out to others and help them along the way in their mathematical journey, you just gotta work for it. So I'm still learning. Obviously, my videos are not the greatest. The camera quality is pretty poor, but the audio's all right for the most part. I mean, my video editing skills are still lacking. I'm hoping to maybe gain a little bit more there and kind of start to edit videos a little more clearly and add some cool effects or something. But for now, it's working. And, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And it might not be the most spectacular videos, but they get the job done and they're informative and people like them. So don't always worry about being the best. Just do the best you can with what you got. And that's my advice for you today. So thank you so much for listening to my TED Talk. I hope you all have a great day. And please check out my YouTube channel, Math with Megan.